Okay guys, if you like that good diesel sound, we're going to improve it a little bit today. Today we're going to take this sound absorbent cover off the Duramax 2.8. But here's what it sounds like with the cover on. Take a listen. Get ready to take that cover off. Alright, to get that cover off, you're going to remove your oil cap. And you're going to need a 4mm Allen wrench. This is a screw right in this hole down there. And once you got that loosened up, which I already got loosened, you can just pull up on this cover, which is hung in the back a little bit here. Alright, got that hose snapped off of there. Should come up all through there. There we go. It's got a little bit of a lip. See, this is where that, if you can see that, that's where the hose was connected. It's got a little clip that pushes into the cover. And here's what's keeping your diesel nice and quiet. We got some pieces of foam on here. I'm going to take those off. That one seems to be stuck in there. Pull on it. It's hung in there pretty good. This motor's really jammed in there. It's right under the lip for the firewall. I'll take a look. See what's holding that out. It's hung on the injector tube now, which I think I just pull hard on it. It should come out. Yep, there it goes. That's just hung right there. This part here probably was hung too. All right, let's see how this motor sounds without the foam on it. See if you think that's any louder. Got that good diesel sound to it. Take a listen. Get ready to take that cover off.